Hello ladies and gentlemen, RailROL82 here, your railroad archaeologist with you here today in North Miami on Northwest 8th Avenue. So this, what you see before you, is a Golden Glades interchange. This is where I-95 meets the Palmetto, meets the Turnpike, and there is a cluster F of traffic here in the mornings at rush hour all the time. You can see now it's like 1 p.m. and there's still a congregation of cars here. But yeah, what I want to show you was I don't know what SFRTA, which is South Florida Regional Transportation, the people that own this railroad or take care of this railroad, were thinking, because this spur was put in brand new a couple of years ago. I have a video on it. So here you see like the SFRTA, yada yada yada, S-Line extension, milepost 1026 from Richmond, Virginia. But the crazy part is that they, I think, are removing or building on top of this line to make a highway. We shall see when we get there, because there's some heavy equipment right on the line right there. So I am alarmed, because what a waste it would be to make this with all the resources and all the money it costs to do that, to have it demolished. But you know how Miami politicians are. They got friends in high places, there's shady backroom deals, there's a tri-rail up ahead. So yeah, I can definitely see there's like, I think, a bulldozer or some sort of, well, we'll get closer. Sorry, ground here is uneven. And as you know, I'm Indiana Jones, so I'm in flip-flops. Gotta watch my step. This is facing east. And yeah, where that overpass is, there used to be a road there. So that railroad crossing definitely, well, railroad crossing / street actually got the axe, because that street got sacrificed to make that overpass. You can see, ever since I was a kid, in the 80s, I remember every expressway in Miami being under construction. The Palmetto, I-95, the Turnpike. In 40 something years, they haven't gotten it right. So, oh, look at this. There used to be a spur here. Railroad archaeology at its finest, ladies and gentlemen. That is what it is all about, right? Okay, so we're continuing our eastward track here, no pun intended. Okay, so it was sort of an optical illusion, because I thought that bulldozer was on top of the rails, but no, actually the rail curves, so it didn't get sacrificed. But what did get sacrificed was the railroad crossing. Check it out. So this is a business over here, and this is the former crossing. You can tell this crossing is ancient. Well, look at the rails right here. You got one right there, right there. That spur that I told you about back behind me. And yeah, here's the crossing info and the old school crossbuck. That is ancient. And yeah, there you see the construction going on, and the highways, and the demolition, and the construction, and all that good stuff. But yeah. South, west, and north. So yeah, this street got totally sacrificed for this project. All right, guys and gals, please let me know what you Think about this in the comments. It always helps me in the algorithm. So do thumbs up, and so do subscriptions, that you can get posts when I upload stuff on Wednesdays, Fridays, Sundays. Always a pleasure, ladies and gents. Take care. Bye bye.